Have you got a problem in time management? Well, I got the perfect solution for you. So today I will be sharing a 4-quadrant graph where you can plot different tasks that you have to do on a weekly basis. This is very different from different time management planners which show daily processes every single day. And I use this very often, and it's helping me, and it's keeping me organized throughout the day. Around the channel, we've been discussing this time that how to become more disciplined and how to work more efficiency. So I think this is the perfect solution for you. So go check it out on the link below, and I'll link the exact quadrant graph, and you can edit it exactly, and then you can print it out and keep it beside you. This graph has really changed my life because I usually have it all my tasks written down, but in this 4 coordinates I can see whichever one is more important, whichever one's least important, whichever one's urgent, and whichever one is least urgent. And I can really organize this graph perfectly with all my tasks and sync it all together. So I'll show you on the iPad, and I'll get the iPad screen right up right now. So here we go, we're on our iPad screen, and we've been seeing how this graph has been set out. So first of all, we have our urgent, and next we have not urgent, then we have important, and then we have not important. And this is very helpful, and it will really allow us to set our tasks and see whichever one could be more important, and we can do that and set priority for each task. So basically, whichever one you have to do, decide, delegate, and delete. I'll show you examples for each of these plans, and you'll really understand how the format works. So first of all, we have a task that would be urgent and important. So you might know, like, basically maybe, so you probably have an assignment that's due urgently, which is probably in 2-3 days. So you should start working on that right away because it's due quickly. And it's quite important because it reflects your marks on your report card and how you perform on the task. So basically, this will really help us have a clear picture of our week and how we can perform our different tasks and how we can improve and make some time for different tasks that might come to your new list. And something that would be urgent but not important would be like, you have to go buy some supplies, but they're not as urgent. This is a really good example and really help us plan our day. So next we have not urgent and important. So you might know this, and not urgent would be, it's not urgent, like you have an assignment. Same example, let's just take the same example. You have an assignment that would be due in 2 to 3 weeks. So this would be important, but this is not urgent because it's not due this week. Since I've shared with you, this timetable or this time manager is not only for like a daily basis, but like for week and by week. So next we have right over here, which would not urgent and not important. And we can see it very clearly that both of these are not, and you should really like delete this. But you know, many people have different schedules throughout the day, and you might need something but not as urgent or not as important. So any example you can take, and this is pretty easy. So delete this from your, try to delete it because it's not important and not urgent, and it is decreasing your efficiency day by day. So basically, I hope you like the timetable, and it's really amazing how you can see the different quadrants. And make sure to check out the link below where you can find the timetable and the time manager, and you can edit it and print it out as a sheet where you can keep beside you all day. And as I've said, I really use this time manager, and it really helps me to see which one's important and which one's urgent on all the tasks and how they perform in my weekly basis. So now I'd like to share some of the key keywords for each of these. Urgent and important would be like a strong deadline that you might need. And for not urgent and important, it would be something that you have to take time to and effort to achieve. And second of all, last of all, would be lack of clearly defined. And this would be like something like a long-term goal. So So this has been the time management system that I've been waiting to share for you, and I've been planning since days, which I really want to share to you this, and it's very affected me, and I want to share to you guys something that has affected me and has improved me as a person. Thank you.